So students, as you can see the heading, today we are going to discuss about another activity, that is activity number 3. Already we have done 2 activities, and the main activity, that is the art integrated project, that one will be discussed by the Shahnaz ma'am. Okay, so today the activity is same as we have done in activity number 2, that is the biography of an Indian mathematician, or you can say Indian scientist. And the name of this Indian mathematician is P.C. Mahalanobis. As you can see, I have written. So P.C. means Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis. So heading will be biography of P.C. Mahalanobis. Activity number 3. So in the same way as I have discussed in activity number 2, first you will write down name. Name is P.C. Mahalanobis. Date of birth I have written, that is June 29th, 1893, and place of birth Kolkata. This is the, you will give this one heading activity 3, then you will write down the heading biography of P.C. Mahalanobis, then name, date of birth, place of birth, and then you will start writing about the achievements. And here the date I have given 7/9/20 because this video will be uploaded in school website on Monday, and that's why I have given the date 7/9. You also write down this date 7/9/2020. Okay, whenever you are writing in your practical copy. And many of you in the previous activity, you have written only 1 page. As I told you, you have to write down at least 2 pages. At least. So in this case also, this heading you give name, date of birth, place of birth, and write down about his achievements. Start from here, about his achievements, about his schooling, okay, about his college life, and at least 2 pages you write down and send to me. Better you send to me by this week. Okay, so this is your activity number 3. I'm again showing this one. So biography of P.C. Mahalanobis, name P.C. Mahalanobis, date of birth and place of birth is 29 June 1893 and Kolkata, and date as I have given 7/9/2020. And then from here onwards you start writing about his achievements. At least 2 pages. Again I am telling at least 2 pages. And if it is possible, you can also paste one picture, if it is possible for you. Okay, so this is regarding the project work. Now I am going to discuss some of the problems, that homework I have given. You are facing some problems, so those word problems I am going to discuss now. So first one, also you are facing problems in some reasoning, and I have seen that in area some of the problems also you are facing, that I have given the homework. So I will discuss today about those problems. So first one is this one. This is the reasoning one. 963 to 844, 464, question mark 903, where the options are 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how it is coming to? This one many of you are facing problem. Now the technique is this one. So 963 you add 9 plus 6 plus 3, and 844 you add 8 plus 4 plus 4, then subtract. So it will come 18 minus 16, 2. So here it is 2. In the same way, here 4 plus 6 plus 4 minus 9 plus 0 plus 3. So 14 minus 12, your answer will be 2. This one. So this is one problem. Another one you're facing problem is this one. This option will be 9. How it is coming? Now see, here 3 is given. So you'll multiply 3 into 3. Here it will be 9. Now how it is coming? 81. 9 into 9. 81. Now 81 into 81. 6561. So here your option will be, as you can see, there are 4 options: 9, 18, 24, 27. Your option will be option number A, 9. Okay, so these 2 problems. Another problem that you are facing is one question in I have given in homework, this one 3 and 4. Okay, this is the question. So I have done only one solution here. Question number 4, 3 is same. So let's see what is the question number 3 here. You have already this question I have given as a homework. A marble tile measures 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter. How many tiles will be required to cover a wall of size 4 meter by 3 meter? So this is the problem. So tile measures is given 25 centimeter and 20 centimeter, and wall length and breadth is given 4 meter. Now see, 4 meter by 3 meter, many of you have seen 1 or 2, you are writing 4 by 3 means this 4 by 3. It is wrong. Here 4 meter by 3 meter means 4 meter is length and 3 meter is breadth. Okay, this is the meaning. So first what we will do, here it is given in centimeter and here it is given in meter. And also I have seen many of you are not converting this one. You are directly multiplying and then dividing. That's why your answer is wrong. So first you have to convert this meter in centimeter. Here also, the previous question 3, here also it is given 260 meter and 15 meter. Here also, here the question is how many piece of stone slabs. Length is 26 centimeter long and 10 centimeter breadth. You have to make a path which is 260 meter long and 15 meter wide. Here also 260 meter and 15 meter you have to convert in centimeter. Then you have to find the area and last you have to divide. So here also this solution I have done. This one same process. So this solution I am showing you how to do. This is the solution that I have done. So first area of marble 25 into 20 centimeter square, 500 centimeter square. This is already given in centimeter, no problem. Now the conversion, length of wall 4 meter and breadth of wall 3 meter. That means it is 4 meter means 400 centimeter, 3 meter means 300 centimeter. This conversion you have to make because this one was given in centimeter. This one also you have to convert in centimeter. Therefore area of wall, length into breadth. So it is coming 120000 centimeter square. Now you have to find the number of bricks. So number of bricks will be 1240 by 500, and if you cancel or if you divide, your answer will come 240 bricks. So this is the answer. I have seen many of you are just multiplying 4 into 3, 12 meter square, and you are dividing. So that is wrong. Okay, first you have to convert in centimeter, then you have to find the area, and at last you have to divide. Similar type of problems I think Devashish sir has given in volume also. In volume also you are not converting. See, in volume also length, breadth, height, if it is given in meter, you have to convert in centimeter, then you have to find out the volume, and at last you have to divide. Without converting, you cannot do the division. Okay, so this is the full page. You can see. Already many of you have submitted this homework and I have also checked. But those who have not done, you can do from here. And also those 2 reasoning problems I have done, and plus the project work. And one important thing, I have given one chapter test on volume. That one I have uploaded in the PDF form in school website. So download it and do it. And also you know Wednesday is your class test on area and its boundary. So be prepared for that. Okay. So today up to this much. Thank you.